Hey guys, in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to block someone on TikTok without viewing profile. So basically, what you can do if you don't want the other person to see that you viewed their profile is to just click your profile on the bottom right corner, click the three lines on the top right corner, click settings and privacy, then click privacy, scroll down to profile views, click on that, and this needs to be turned off. If this function is turned off, nobody will be able to see that you viewed their profile. You also won't be able to see anybody that viewed your profile. If you turn this off, now you can just go to the person's account. They won't be able to see that you viewed their profile. Click on this arrow on the top right corner and just click block. And click block again. Alright, so all in all, this is how to block someone on TikTok without viewing profile. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with TikTok checklist for free and other TikTok marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below.